In this video, I will show you how to sell beats on BeatStars. So if you haven't done this yet, you need to create your BeatStars account and get a subscription. Then after you do that, make sure you go to the studio of BeatStars. So in the top left, you can click here. And then if you're not in the studio yet, you can click on studio here. So then after you have created your account and you have a subscription, you can click create in the top right. Then click create track, sound kit or album. Now I'm just going to say track. Now here, first you need to upload your beat. So upload your audio right here. So this can be an MP3 or a WAV file. So click browse and just go and upload it. Now here, optionally, you can also add in stems. So you can add a zip or WAR file containing your track stems to provide additional licensing options for your clients. So then click on next step. Now you need to add some basic info. So first, we are going to add our artwork. So just upload your artwork right here. For this example, I'll just use this image right here, but you want to upload your actual artwork. Now here, enter the title of your beat. You can also say, for example, Drake type beat. So then when people search for Drake type beat, the chance that they find your beat is higher. So then here under type, you can select beat, beat with hook, song, top line or vocal. I'm going to select beat. And here for the release date, I'll just set it to today. Now here you can add in a description, so you can write a little bit about your beat and maybe the type of beat it is, etc. Now here for the visibility, you can set it to private, public or unlisted. I will set it to public. Now you can set your selling preferences, so you can choose to exclude it from bulk discounts if you want to do this. So then click next step again. Now here you can enter the metadata. So first you need to wait for the upload process to complete before using dynamic fill. So dynamic fill will autofill the metadata. So it will fill in your metadata information automatically based on the uploaded audio file. So then it will add tags for the track. It will add in a key, the beats per minute, the mood, the instrument and vocals, and any related videos you need to upload yourself. So then when we go to the next step, you can add in collaborators. So if you made this beat with someone else, then click add collaborator. And first you need to connect your PayPal if you haven't done this yet. Then you can select the profit share and the publishing percentage. So then in the next step, you can select the pricing. So here you have the regular pricing, or you can set it to free. Now if you want to sell it, then you have a premium plus license, unlimited license, basic license and premium license. So if you don't know exactly what this is, then you can go to customize your contracts right here. And then here, for example, in the basic license, when we click on basic license and then click on contract, you can see what is included inside of this license. So you can change the pricing per license right here. For this example, I'll just keep it like this. Then when we click next step, you will see the review. So here just see if everything is correct. So the metadata, the basic info, the actual beat you uploaded. And if it's all correct, simply click on publish track. And then when you click on publish track, your track or beat will be published to BeatStars and people can actually go and buy it. So you can track your sales by going to your dashboard right here. And then in the quick stats, you can see your plays, reposts, comments, free downloads, net sales, followers, negotiations, and active campaigns. So I also have a video about how you can actually sell more beats by using YouTube. So if you are interested in using that strategy to get more sales on BeatStars by not only relying on the BeatStars algorithm, but also promoting your track on YouTube by getting YouTube search views, then I'll leave a link to a video where I show you the exact step-by-step strategy that people are using to get hundreds of sales every single day by using YouTube. So you can check that video out with the link in the description. So that's how to sell beats on BeatStars. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.